Step 4, identifying key elements. So we've got our drawings, we've got our comic strip, we have our one-sentence story. Now we need to figure out how we're going to translate that into actual stop motion animation. And what's really important there is that we can break up all of the things that we're looking at on our sketched out story into either background or characters. And in this case, a character is going to be anything that moves or changes state or looks different throughout the story. Background might be like the sky. The sky is going to be blue in every single panel of your frame. And so if it's always blue, then just that's a background. Blue background for the sky, green background for the grass. Those are staying the same, they're not changing. If the plants are growing, then the plants are a character because they're changing. This is important. When we do stop motion, we're going to be moving pieces a little bit at a time. And some pieces, like the background, will stay the same. And so by splitting up our drawing into things that are moving versus things that are not moving, background versus characters, then we know when we go forward what kinds of pieces are we going to be scooting around while we take our stop motion photos and what kind of pieces are just going to stay there in one place the whole time. In my example, for Rain Makes the Garden Grow, the dirt base, the plant roots, the blue sky, a little bitty sign that says Emily's Garden, all of those things are staying the same for the whole thing. I want those to just be the background. And so they are going to not move, and I'm going to put them in the background category. The plants themselves, tomatoes, raindrops, the sun, I want all of those things to be moving. So I'm going to put them into the character category. And that way I know when I set up my background, I'm going to be able to just sort of fix everything in place there, versus when I cut out all my little pieces, I'm going to make sure that I have those ready to move so that they're not stuck on the board so I can scoot them around when I'm taking my photos.